Bond paper. Bond paper is one of the most common types of paper used in offices, schools, and homes. It is usually made from high-quality wood pulp and is designed to be strong enough for everyday writing, printing, and copying. The name comes from its historical use for documents such as government bonds and other official papers. Today, it is widely used for letters, forms, reports, and general office documents. Its smooth surface allows ink and toner to appear clearly, while its moderate thickness gives it a more professional feel than basic newsprint. Copy paper. Copy paper is designed mainly for everyday printing and photocopying. It is typically made from processed wood pulp and has a smooth, lightweight surface that works well with laser printers, inkjet printers, and copiers. Standard copy paper is often bright white, making printed text easy to read. It became especially important as offices adopted photocopiers and personal printers on a large scale. Because it is inexpensive and versatile, copy paper remains one of the most widely used papers in modern workplaces and classrooms. Printer paper. Printer paper is a general term for paper made specifically for printing documents and images. Depending on the type, it can be designed for inkjet or laser printing, with different surfaces and thicknesses suited to each technology. Basic printer paper is usually lightweight and economical, while higher quality versions may be brighter and smoother. The right printer paper can improve the sharpness of text and images, reduce ink absorption, and help prevent paper jams. It is commonly used for everything from homework and business documents to personal projects. Writing paper. Writing paper is made for handwriting, note-taking, and correspondence. It usually has a smoother and more pleasant surface than ordinary copy paper, allowing pens and pencils to move comfortably across it. Some writing papers are made from high-quality fibers and may have a slightly textured finish. Historically, handmade writing papers were produced from materials such as cotton and linen rugs before wood pulp became the dominant source. Today, writing paper is often used for personal letters, journals, stationery, and handwritten notes. Notebook paper. Notebook paper is the familiar lined paper used by students, writers, and anyone who needs a convenient place for handwritten notes. It is commonly made from lightweight wood pulp and is manufactured in large rolls before being cut and ruled with lines. Different formats can include narrow-ruled, wide-ruled, and college-ruled paper depending on the spacing between the lines. Notebook paper is designed to be practical and affordable, making it a basic part of school supplies and everyday note-taking. Newsprint. Newsprint is a lightweight, inexpensive paper traditionally used for newspapers. It is usually made from mechanically processed wood pulp, which gives it a relatively rough texture and a natural grayish appearance. Because it contains more wood components than higher quality papers, it can yellow and become brittle over time. Newsprint became especially important during the rise of mass newspapers in the 19th century, when publishers needed large quantities of affordable paper. Although digital media has reduced newspaper circulation, newsprint is still used for newspapers, flyers, and some temporary printed materials. Cardstock. Cardstock is a thick, sturdy paper that is heavier than ordinary writing or copy paper. It is often made from multiple layers of paper fibers pressed together, giving it greater strength and rigidity. Cardstock comes in many colors, finishes, and thicknesses, making it useful for greeting cards, invitations, business cards, craft projects, and packaging. Its heavier construction allows it to hold its shape without needing the thickness of cardboard. It's especially popular when a printed item needs to feel more durable or substantial. Construction paper. Construction paper is a thick, colored paper commonly associated with children's crafts and school projects. It is usually made from wood pulp and is available in bright colors such as red, blue, yellow, green, and orange. Its slightly rough surface makes it easy to cut, fold, glue, and draw on. The paper became popular in schools because it offered an inexpensive way for children to create artwork and simple models. Today, it remains a familiar material for classroom activities, decorations, and creative projects. Drawing paper. Drawing paper is designed for artists who work with pencils, charcoal, pastels, and other dry media. It often has a surface texture known as tooth, which gives drawing materials something to grip. Some drawing papers are smooth, while others have a more pronounced texture depending on the intended technique. They are commonly made from wood pulp, cotton fibers, or a combination of materials. The quality and texture of the paper can strongly affect how lines, shading, and details appear in a finished drawing. Sketch paper. Sketch paper is a lightweight paper intended for quick drawings, practice work, and preliminary ideas. It is generally thinner and less expensive than specialized drawing paper, making it practical for artists who use large amounts of paper. Sketch paper may have a smooth or slightly textured surface and works well with pencils, graphite, colored pencils, and some charcoal. Artists often use it to explore compositions and develop ideas before moving to more durable paper for a finished piece.